Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So let's get right to it. First up, make sure your unit's powered on. That's going to be pressing this power button front and center. You'll notice we have our illuminated powered lights. So everything is turned on right here. Now a restart is completely different from a reset. This is not a factory reset. This is just a simple reboot. We'll be power cycling it off and then back on. So center middle button, that's the power icon. Press and hold that. We have music playing, we can let go. Eventually the lights will go off and it will shut down. Okay, the lights are off. It is now shut down. And to finish the restart, we need to press the power button again to turn it back on. The lights just came on, so I let go of the power button. They're blinking. We just have to wait. Startup music's happening. Just give it a couple more seconds to set up and initialize, and you're all set and ready to go. That's how you restart or reboot the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2.